people.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
Pero hindi na siya stress, no?
Shout out to the moon. Oh, this is worth it. Yeah. Woo! Okay, tapos na. Oh no.
Ah, meron pa.
Forget to time it. Wow. Ganda. Wow. Okay, selfie, selfie, selfie. Yeah. Isa pa. Ate. Oh, I'm trying to get the fireworks. Wait, Kuya, you're taller. Yeah. No, there's no fireworks. No, it's not. It's not. There's more. Yeah. It's hard. Yeah. We did our best.
Oh, they're fireworks. Nice. I send it later.
Yeah.
Mas fireworks, eh?
Wow. I think that was it.
Still around two.
Oh, one more.
Still around two.
Isa pa.
Two more. Only been like 6 minutes. 6 minutes for 2 million pesos.
2 million and 1 peso.
Ha? Ano?
Wow.
Wala, lobat na si Ninang din yun.
Isa. Ates.
Ikaw naman, ikaw naman.
I'll be.
One. Okay. With fireworks, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait lang. Wait lang. Waiting for fireworks.
Wah.
Wait lang.
Ano ba yun? Ang dami ng fireworks yun eh. Wah. Yun, wah.
I'm just pressing it.
Ang yak.
Done? I got it.
Wow, that took a while. Thank you.
Ayaw manok? Ayaw? Kanina?
Kasi ano, mali.
Oh, this is awesome.
We went off for the flash.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Di ba, ganda mo yung flash kasi sa ibang phone. Tip.
Parang dito fireworks yun. Ito, big fireworks. The fireworks is bigger. The fireworks is bigger.
Ay, because it's, ano, nakalandscape.
Wow.
I wonder what kind of fireworks is the finale.
Yeah,
The finale is
the best.
Yeah.
It's one of his favorites.
Is it?
Easy pay.
Look at that dog.
Tayo ay matanda na. Sana. Pwedeng, hindi, nagkakbay kayo. Tapos ang bakal mo dito. Tayo matanda na. Ito po kailangan natin. Usually pinali niya sa maganda. Usually, in Abu Dhabi, you know, when I watched once the fireworks there,
Yeah.
I don't know how they do it. The finale was the flag of the UAE.
Wow.
The flag of the United Arab Emirates. I don't know
Yeah.
how they did it, but I was surprised. How
Yeah.
did they do that? Flag of the UAE.
Wow.
Wow. Bilis, ha?
Wow. Wow, I think that's the finale. That's it.
Bakugo na rin dyan.
Bakugo.
Wow.
Sa... Okay.
I think there's more. Is there
Second
more?
batch. Yeah, I think there is. It's been 11 minutes now.
Wow.
Started 7:45. So 11 minutes. I think 5 minutes per ano. Yeah, another music, another round.
Yeah.
One music per round. See? See?
Sa mga gantong event, papadi mo yung mga pinag-propose.
Yeah.
Diba?
Maybe.
May napanood ako sa YouTube na gusto.
Oh, it should be a good venue to propose, right? You buy the 3,000 things per person, two of you, then you propose there.
Yeah,
Mahal
yeah.
pa ako. Kasama pa yung fees.
No, it's cheaper. It's only 3,000. If you do that in a class restaurant, it's more expensive.
Hindi walang tao ba?
Maraming tao, makakita. This one is different.
Baka may file din. Natulungan na ng yun.
Yung tatawag sa inyo niya, like na yun, nakaya nila. Virus, yung yun nila.
Naka ano yun, tapos sa baba, naka-arrange.
Kaya talaga na yun.
Napaisipin yun.
Kaya nila pag yung Philippines. Kaya na kami.
Yung materials ng fireworks, di ba may gunpowder? The same gunpowder yung ginagamit sa mga baril. Di ba? Yan yung ano, ayun. Wala lang. Something na nakakapatay. Something na magaling.
Yung sinasabing depende sa gamit niya.
Wow.
Diba?
Wow.
Ganda nung kulay.
Papa.
Yun lang, inaano ko lang yung buko ko.
Pasimple, ginaganon.
Ginaganon ko lang.
Bibig ko.
Taas.
Sige na. Wow. Are you taking
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah, it's
Good,
on.
nice.
Grabe.
That's one song finished. 3 songs now. 3 rounds. I wonder how many rounds will it
My
be.
neck hurts.
That's why I say it's not good to be close because you're like looking up like this the entire time.
Fourth song.
Wow.
Kain na na. That's it? 4 songs?
Wow.
Or there's another song?
Oh, there's another song.
No, that's
What
4
song you
songs.
want? Song request.
David, that's my
That with a smile, Bruno Mars.
one of his favorites. Singing tayo matanda na.
Tapos na? Bahay? Sa bahay? Or kumakain? Yeah.
Going to eat
Okay.
dinner.
Dinner.
Yes. Where do you want?
Anywhere you want. Anywhere.
I want
And-
chicken.
You want chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. You want Jollibee?
Jollibee. Chicken, KFC.
Okay. KFC po. Anong gusto mo, ate?
Chicken lang mayroon dito.
Chicken na. At saka kanin.
Kakanin.
And ketchup. Or gravy.
Even the celebrity, right? Sabi ako in the middle of the...
Next, I'll show you a game, okay? It's called hockey. We play it in America. So you play with a coin, and you try to
Your cell phone. Yeah.
you try to spin it, and then you try to stop it with your finger. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So you try it. Wow, galing!
Yun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah. Take care. Yeah. Good to meet you. See you
Yeah.
next time, hopefully.
Okay.
Is your battery okay?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay na?
Yeah, okay na.
Thank you.
Yeah, me too. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, ingat,
Hotel ka na.
ingat. Yeah,
Message ka pag nasa hotel.
Okay.
Kuya.
love you po.
God
love you
bless. Love you.
po. Kaya to dyan.
Bye.
See ya.
Enjoy your travel,
Yeah,
kuya.
see ya.
Please send pictures.
Yeah, I will. Bye.
Message ha pag nasa hotel.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye. Ingat, ingat. Way back home. It's been a good day, kuya. Good day. Yeah. Did you see the fireworks?
No.
No?
I'm busy looking for passenger.
Busy? Oh. It was beautiful, kuya. Mas magandang firework. Taga saan po?
Ako, Malate.
Malate. Okay.
Alam mo, Malate?
Yeah. I think.
Many clubs.
Maybe club. It's been a really good day, man. I can't believe it happened today. You know, reunion. Yeah, kuya. And fireworks.
So, it's
man.
parang-
Yeah, this is a good one, kuya. It's a good...
Lady Gaga and
Oh my god. Yeah. Kuya, Jerry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, kuya.
How do you